Welcome to Tita Lily's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make hamburger. This is going to be quick, easy, and juicy hamburger. For our burger patty, I have ground beef, salt, black pepper, onion, and 1 egg. I just have to combine all of this together and mix it well. Meat is ready, and this is how I do my burger patty. I'll get a handful and form it into ball, as big as a tennis ball. I think this is a reasonable size. I'll place it in a plastic wrap. Press it down gently. Now we have hamburger patty. Not perfectly round, but it's okay. What I'll do, cut the plastic wrap in the middle. Now I have individually wrapped burger, which is good because if I have some left over, I can easily store it in a freezer. And before I cook this, I'm going to prepare my toppings. I have some condiments like pickles, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, cheese, and of course, hamburger buns. Now, let's start making hamburger. Grease a pan with butter. Then I'm gonna throw in 2 burger patties and cook it for at least 1.5 minutes each side. Or it depends on how thick your burger is. This is my version, and for me, there's nothing better than a homemade hamburger. And I hope you like this video. And if you do, it would be nice if you give it a thumbs up and share it too. I hope you like my recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Bye for now and see you again on my next video.